Now let's talk about polymorphism. Polymorphism refers to the ability of an object to adapt the code to the type of the data that is processing. It provides a way to use a class exactly like its pattern, so there is no confusion with mixing types. Each child class keeps its own methods as they are. Okay, let's see an example. I will start by creating a new Python script. I will name this script polymorphism. And in the script, I'm going to create two classes. Class cat underscore need name age I will create another method def sound print meow. Okay, I also need for this example another method, another class. Duck. And I will change the sound method, quack. Okay, I will create a method make sound, def make sound. This method is going to take animal as a parameter, and this method will invoke on animal sound method. Okay, I'm going to create two objects, cat1 kitty h2 duck1 Donald h3. And for every object I'm going to call make sound cat1 and make sound duck1. Okay, I'm going to run this Python file. Okay, and in the output I can see meow and quack. In this code, make sound function is used for both cat and duck objects, and it's able to determine which class method to call at runtime, demonstrating polymorphism.